Goodness, it is 2-Minute Tuesday, and I have nothing to say. What in the world am I going to talk about for 2 minutes today? I don't even know what to talk about. I've been doing garden tours. I do that twice a month. Oh, I did start to do the deck, which is container gardening, and I did challenge myself to grow food on the deck in containers, which looks like it's actually quite good, because sometimes in the morning I get up and I make eggs and I go out and I get my kale from out there, and I've got Swiss chard and parsley and garlic chives, and I've got everything out there. Should I talk about that? How about taking the containers and setting them up in kind of a maze? You know, something like you would do one of those, I don't even know what they call them, when they kind of set something up and one falls into the other and it's a whole different maze. Well, that's what I actually did. I went ahead and I took some containers and I looked at them and I thought, well, gee, if I put a plank across the top, I could put some plants on the top. When I water the plants on the top, they'll feed the containers underneath. And then the ones underneath, they're big, so I could drill holes to feed smaller containers under that. And then on top of that, sitting inside the large containers, I can put more plants, and those will feed the big containers, because the earthworms like to gravitate up and down, and that is actually inside. And it really seems to work when one thing is taking care of the other, and by the time you water the top and it goes to the bottom and it goes to the other pots on the very bottom, everybody's feeding each other like an ecosystem, and you've got one taking care of the other. So if you forgot to feed something, one might be getting water from the other container, except for the ones on the top. You got to make sure you have water in there, but I made the holes up above, so there's actually 1 to 2 inches of water in there all the time. I wonder if I should talk about that, if anybody'd be interested. Don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.